Hey guys, Ed here. Welcome back guys to Models and Beer. Guys, quick video. I just kind of wanted to share a build that I did. It was a one-day build and I was able to complete it in one day. It wasn't a very difficult kit, and including painting and everything, I did it in about 10 hours. Just a project to do. I was looking at my stash and I seen it sitting in there and I thought that would be kind of a cool build. You know, it looks like it'd be somewhat challenging, and it was, but it's doable. I picked this kit up at Ollies, and I think I only paid like $16-17 for it. It was fairly cheap, so I just kind of wanted to share it with you guys. This is the AMT 23T depot hack, and let me give you a gander at it here. Like I said, it was a fun kit, not anything too difficult. The only difficulties that I had was with the frame itself, because it doesn't, you actually put everything together in the frame. It's not like you get it on the frame complete and you just add the suspensions and stuff to it. You literally have to build everything. So it was real important that you made sure everything was square, but it wasn't too difficult. Let me see, there we go. And I built it just as it was. There's nothing extras that I did to it. And let me give you a look underneath the hood here. The hood fits fairly tight. There's the motor. I didn't do any plug wires or anything like that. Like I said, it's just strictly out of the box. And I'll put some pictures up at the end, guys, like I normally do. But yeah, that's a lot of fun. I think it's a cool looking little kit. I'm gonna and we get the hood back on here. There we go. The only really problems that I had with painting was trying to get these right here, this yellowish brown, and then I got the dark brown. I did that to kind of separate the two, but I was having issues trying to, because these lines are so tiny. Let me get it in focus here, that my brush kept hitting into the brown. And so what I ended up doing is I took some wax paper and I mixed this yellow color, and I mixed it around on the wax paper, and I made it nice and thin, and then I just kind of dipped the side into it and brought it up, and it actually did quite a nice job just getting these raised parts here. And then I painted the brown first, and then I just kind of like put it like a stamp, just laid it into the glue, or the paint I mean, and brought it up, and it actually did a nice job. So yeah, that was a nice little hack if you're running into the same difficulties as me with my shaky hands. It's a good way to get that done. So there was two ways to build this, guys. You could build it as a pickup, or this cool wagon like I did mine. So there we have it, guys. That's all I wanted to do. I'm going to put a few pictures up in the end. And once again, guys, this is the AMT 23T depot hack. Like I said, I picked it up at Aldi's for 16 bucks or whatever it was. So it was nice and cheap. And if you're looking for a quick one-day build, give it a whirl. Thanks, guys, for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.